Tapos, napansin ko din na pagka kayo-kayo na lang ang magkakasama sa dressing room, hindi naman palagi na, there are enough chaperones for everyone to help you out. Sometimes you need help with your dress. Sometimes you need help with your makeup. Minsan may naiwan ka, may nakalimutan kang dalhin na requirement na importante pala. O kaya, hindi ka nagdala ng lashes, hindi ka nagdala ng eyeliner. Yung mga key items, napaka-importante na may mga kaibigan ka, may mga kasama ka, kasi maghihiraman kayo ng gamit, magtutulungan kayo. Pero it doesn't mean that you're helping the enemy. Alam mo yung gano'n? It doesn't mean na parang, ba't mo siya tinutulungan eh? Hindi naman natin siya kakamp, or o kalaban mo yan sa crown. Or kayong dalawa yung pinagsasabong ng mga fans. Hindi gano'n. Hindi talaga gano'n. Nakakatuwa na meron talagang mga friendships na nabubuo. Alam ko that on TV or in the movies that we see, pagka may pageants, laging catty, laging may sabotahe, laging may nawawalang gown, mga nawawalang sapatos, mga nagsasabunutan backstage. Pero hindi totoo yun. Wala talagang ganun. Wala akong na-witness na ganun ever. And I've never felt like somebody was out to get me. Never. I've never felt that. In fact, you relate so much with each other because nobody else knows what you're going through than the girl sitting next to you. She knows what it feels like to get up in the morning, to face yourself in the mirror, feeling uncertain whether you're doing this right or not. You show up anyway, pagod ka na, hindi ka sure, mayroon bang kalalabasan tong magandang ginagawa? Meron bang magandang kalalabasan tong ginagawa kung pagpunta ko dito everyday? Yung mga paghintay ko dito, yung pagbabash sa akin online, is all of this worth it? That I quit my job, that I put my life on hold, my relationships on hold, that my family's getting affected by the things that they're reading online? Is all of this worth it? But then you show up anyway, and who do you draw your strength from? Kayo, the girls around you. It's really true. I became close with the girls, with my co-candidates then, because they are your support system. They are the ones you talk to about things outside of pageants, just to ease things a little bit. Minsan, mag-open up ka ng love life mo. Nagsiselos siya kasi lagi ako naka-bikini. O kaya, hindi supportive yung dad ko kasi parang daring, ganito, ganyan. O kaya naman, sobrang pinupush ako ng mom ko, napapressure na ako. Pag hindi ako nanalo, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Like, anything. Or maybe, my gosh, I had to quit my job for this and I don't even know if it's gonna pay off in the end. All of these worries are real and you talk to each other about it. Alam ko na yan, pinagdaanan ko din yan. Ganun din. And then tapos, hearing each other's stories, you see na, grabe, iba-iba pala tayo ng pinanggalingan, pero I get how you feel. Like, gets kita. Gets ko yung kaba mo, gets ko yung sinakripisyo mo, gets ko yung uncertainty, doubt, all of these emotions are real. And then you relate to each other. I'm sure some of you girls joke around para lang makalimutan nyo na yung pressure, para hindi nyo masyadong isipin yung odds nyo. Di ba? May ganyan eh. Isipin mo yung parang medyo dehado ako this year. Pero nobody really comes out with nothing if you have each other. And that's true. I know it sounds a little cliche, coming from, when other people see this or listen to this. It's hard for them to believe that talaga ba, may mga friendships ba talagang nabubuo dyan? But it's gonna be up to you girls to prove them wrong after the coronation night. Like, you will have, like tayo, us, we have to keep talking about it. So then we also break that misconception that pageants are catty. pageants are mean. Pageant girls are competitive. They're never supportive. They're always just out for, their own interest. But it's gonna be up to us to change that kind of mindset. Mga unforgettable experiences ko, wow. Dressing room memories. Mga dressing room memories, siguro, you've seen each other dress up. Nakita niyo na yung mga katawan ng mga isa't isa. Pero there's trust, di ba? There's trust in that. There's trust that nobody's gonna try to take a sneaky picture of you. Nobody's gonna try to sabotage you because you're all going through the same thing. You're all on the same boat. Ano pa? Siguro because our metabolisms are also different. Maybe some of you, okay lang kahit kumain ng madami, hindi nagbabago katawan. Pero for some girls like me, I had to be really careful with how I eat. But then, you share that with each other. Nagsishare kayo ng mga kwento nyo. Baka nga nagsishare kayo ng pagkain. Nagsishare kami ng pagkain sa isa't isa nun. Oo. Tapos ang ginagawa din namin dati, may mga naka-assign. Potluck. Parang ganon. So today, kay Pia yung salad, bukas chicken naman, ganyan. And then when we put it all together, may buffet na kami. So, para-paraan lang, di ba? Para maging masaya. So you can find the light moments in a very competitive space.